No, 3 teams.
We need to play whatever they call lockout. We need to play that map more. I forget what it
This
is.
is-
I think it's
I think it is
blackout.
cold storage.
It is blackout. The one in
No.
the space station's blackout.
Cold
That's what
storage.
you're
Yeah,
talking about.
blackout.
Yeah, Cold Storage is a Combat Evolved map they remade, I think in Halo 3. I don't remember. Maybe it was
Yeah,
Reach.
I think they recently added one.
Yeah,
Did I
that
tell you
map
guys I
is
broke my
okay.
toe?
or something.
What, Alex?
Did I tell you guys
probably
I broke my
deserved
toe?
How?
I stubbed it.
Is it actually broken, or you're just having a...
Ziggy thinks it's broken. It's like really swollen and black and
And she's a nurse.
What up, Drew?
Jeez, and
I'm used to the normal spawns where I would have enough time.
Whoops.
red team took my sniper, man.
Fuck, Al is a sniper.
Did I kill you?
Yeah,
What the hell?
You
I
killed
killed
me.
him.
Did you
I
commit
got
suicide?
Yeah.
Bumpo, what happened?
Let's
No,
go.
I killed it.
Get
I
absolutely
killed it and
slapped.
I committed suicide because it was too close to the
Sweet.
rockets.
Sword on my
The
X,
big
sword on my X, sword on
suey.
my X. They're coming.
Hey,
Hide, Joe, hide.
Get fucked, Al.
Oh, Joe.
Just
I thought I had
delete.
timed it right.
God damn it.
Do you like that
Grenade.
camera angle there, TJ?
Mm-hmm. That.
What happened?
I just watched him walk right in front of Brian, or in front of Drew Law as me and Drew were about to get into a
Oh,
duel.
that's a teammate. Okay, cool.
No.
That was hot as
way.
fuck, dude.
Nice.
That was
Nice.
so hot.
Holy shit.
Got Drew behind you.
That was disgusting.
That was all reflex.
Have a good rest of your night, guys. See you in November.
Did I get
What
that?
happened?
Oh my god.
Don't
Wait.
come home with another wife.
Is rage quitting, or what's going on?
Yep.
Straight
shot.
up rage.
Al's one shot. Oh.
Oh,
There you go, Al.
Fuck.
Remember when Paul made himself do push-ups for rage quitting?
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite
Double
Lugnutz
grenade
bits of
kill.
all time.
Yeah, that was back when it was like just the 4 Voights and Paul routinely, and I think Drew Law was in there too. Oh, nice play.
message. Going for it here?
Oh, that was great.
I got shotgun here, yeah.
No
It was
way.
before Mario's time.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how that worked.
Drew, you're supposed to pull the trigger, buddy.
Well, last time I pulled
Yeah,
it too early, and this time I pulled it too late.
That's what she said.
Goldilocks in it here.
Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no.
Oh, heck no.
Oh! Did you guys know?
Nice move, nice move.
We got away.
Nice, TJ.
Ah, I just ate that grenade. Ah.
Chickle says he's gonna be here in a couple minutes, which means he'll be here in about 2.5 hours.
Lol. Chemicals.
Big facts.
Hey, they got a couple swords in there, Al.
Oh, Matt had a
sniper.
shotgun and I thought he had a sword. Oh, I just gave him shotgun ammo.
No! Oh!
What fun times. I've been playing so bad. We got some good shit this game.
Back.
Fuck. I fucking suck at this game.
Killing spree.
Don't
Yeehaw.
be so down on yourself.
The #1 rule of gaming is we all suck at every game. I don't care if you're a paid professional, you still suck.
Oh, nice.
The hell? Oh,
Yeehaw, killing
Jesus.
spree.
It's pretty
And
good.
he's got,
Popping off.
I think he's got sniper
whoa,
and
whoa.
rockets.
Shit,
Yeah.
fuck.
I'll level with you, the sniper ran out.
Yeah, I made sure it was empty.
Yeah. And just dumped it. Literally right in
Oh,
front.
yeah.
There's the rockets. Okay.
Oh my
Where?
It's really
fuck.
leaving
You
a
know
full
how to do
sniper
that.
round.
Where's the frickin' fucking respawn. The reload. Does not fire fast enough.
That was amazing, dude. I'm a god.
Al behind you.
I'm
He's
sorry,
injured.
bro.
Okay. Behind you, Al. He's
This
invisible.
is not a good game.
Oh my god.
Somebody had a sniper.
I'm on a fucking killing frenzy, fellas.
Well, there's only one cure for that.
Double SMG.
My personal
The
mission
double
to take Mario out.
SMGs.
Mario. Mario.
Yeah.
Come to sword run. Come to sword run. There's a sniper here for you.
Are we doing a thing? Are we? Am I? That's amazing. I love you. Ow.
Oh wow. Whoa. I did snipe Al once with it, so that's all I needed. Got my fill. What the fuck? You're okay.
I'm just gonna chill here for a second.
Drew, don't do it.
Oh, I want to cry.
Running riot?
Where's Mario? Where is he?
He's in the sword room with sniper.
With a sniper.
What?
I'm
Are you
insane.
kidding me?
I'm
Are
just
you
hot
kidding
right now.
me?
I don't know what. I don't know what.
Did you just no-scope me?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, Mario's been popping off.
Oh my
What?
god.
Wait,
Oh
you
my
guys are
god.
doubling the rest
We
of
literally
Suck
doubled
it,
him.
Mario.
Holy
Just
just
suck
shit.
it.
That was
Mario.
like
Taking us
18
apart.
Mario's got more
kills.
kills than the second place team.
Oh, that was
Drew
hot.
behind you.
It's the algorithm. You gotta put Mario by himself.
I want to thank the orange team for supporting me, providing me weapons and ammunition.
Yeah.
You guys are
Cheer
the
for you,
best.
man.
That is the plan.
Feed Mario.
Okay. Jesus.
Oh, Mario. Okay, well that's fine. As long as it
Sorry.
goes to the team.
Well, Jesus.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Smacking.
28.
All right, dudes, I gotta